Senator Gatchalian is seeking the help of the National Bureau of Investigation. The senator became a victim of credit card fraud with the hacker ordering 1 million pesos worth of items from the Food Panda delivery service. At the NBI, Gatchalian explained how it happened.
Itong tao ay nagpanggap na siya po si Senator Gatchalian. Pinalitan niya po yung cellphone number, nakuha niya yung OTP. Nung nakuha niya yung OTP, nag-order na po siya ng 1 million worth of items. Pero natuklasan ko at Atty. Guzman, hindi pala matakaw itong tao kung hindi manginginom. Dahil 1 million na alcohol ang in-order niya.
According to the senator, a formal investigation is needed because he is not the only victim of these hackers.
Mabuti nang magkaroon ng isang formal investigation, hindi lang para sa akin, pati para po sa mga nabiktima, para po mahanap natin kung sino po talaga ang gumagawa po nito at mahinto na yung pagbibiktima.
Gatchalian's experience pushed him to file a resolution for the Senate to conduct a legislative probe. Gatchalian noted that because of the pandemic, many have resorted to transactions using credit cards. He wants to strengthen online consumer protection.
Kulang po yung ginagawa ng mga bangko at ng BSP pagdating sa consumer protection. Alam ko, gumagamit sila ng mga bagong teknolohiya pero kulang pa. Dahil nalalampasan mo sila ng mga ganitong scammers at ganitong mga hackers. So dapat mas mabilis at mas innovative yung gagawin po ng mga bangko at ng BSP.
Thank you for watching Politica TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.